There are some people out there that really believe that they're, and it's a condition. Welcome to another episode of Plants and Facts. Or this is a actual psychiatric condition in where people believe that they're, and it's called delusion, not depressed, and they have actually convinced themselves that they are sprouting corn. And Cotard's delusion is also called walking syndrome. Yes, it sounds almost like a zombie apocalyptic thing, but they're actually alive and it's all in their head, unfortunately. Patients truly believe that they are, and they are a walking, talking with pieces of them decaying, even falling off of them. Some even insist that they have no organs, no blood, nothing, even to the point that they no longer exist. It's classified as a type of delusion, and it's linked to clinical sadness, as you could kind of expect, unfortunately. It often involves changes in brain regions that are tied to identity and recognition, like the parietal, which involves hearing and processing, and your frontal lobe, which pretty much involves your personality and like complex thinking. At least that's what we know of so far. Sometimes, sadly enough, it does show up in people with neuro conditions, which if we should do a full episode on Cotard's, if I'm saying that right, or on multiple sclerosis, let me know. And we'll happily do it at Funny Medicine Podcast. Anyhow, it was first described in the 1880s by Jules Cotard, and he was a French neurologist. One patient thought that her organs were gone and she no longer needed to eat because of it. Unfortunately, due to that belief, she stopped eating. Isn't she beautiful? Her leaf looks like a heart. Oh, and I spray painted these in gold. They were really like that color. Anywho, in the more recent cases, some patients believe that they smell like flesh. Interestingly enough, this overlaps with Capgras Syndrome, which is when patients believe that loved ones and people that they know are actually imposters. God, that's scary. They truly believe that. They don't recognize them and believe that they recognize them, but they believe that they're imposters. Like, imagine that. I don't want to. Now, don't worry, because Cotard is extremely rare. In fact, so rare that a few hundred cases have been able to be documented worldwide since its discovery or since its naming in the 1880s. As you'd probably suspect, treatment is with medications and even sometimes electrotherapy if those don't seem to help much, which we've discussed in another episode. We definitely have done that. And surprisingly, these treatments has helped these patients get a little better. That's fascinating, right? The brain and this plant. Beautiful, gorgeous. Like even the back. Anyway, these people actually believe not only in zombies, but that they themselves may be zombies, and it's all made up in their heads. Baby, follow us for more.